Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Today we will study how to compare the given fractions, right? So there are few types. Let's discuss the first one. Students, in case the two fractions to be compared are like fractions. Everyone knows that what is a like fraction? I have explained in my previous videos. Like fractions are those fractions when the given fraction have the same denominator. See here, first one fraction denominator is 9 and second fraction, that is 5 by 9, denominator is also 9. When the denominator is same or the fractions are like fractions, in that case the smaller numerator represent the smaller fraction. Let us understand it with the help of example. Two fractions are given to us, 4 by 9 and 5 by 9. When the denominators are same, then we will check the numerator. If numerator is smaller, then the given fraction will be considered as a smaller fraction. And if numerator is greater, then the fraction is considered as a greater fraction. See here, we will compare the numerators 4 and 5. 5 is greater, so I can say that students 5 by 9 is greater than 4 by 9. This first type is too easy. Just we have to check that denominators are same or not. If denominators are same, then greater numerator will be considered as a, and when the numerator is greater, then that fraction will be considered as a greater fraction. Now students, we will discuss type 2. When two fractions are unlike. Type 1 we have done when two fractions are like fractions. Now type 2 is when two fractions are unlike. Unlike fractions are those fractions, students, when denominator is not same of the given fractions. If denominator is not same of the given fractions, so how we will compare them? So there are total two methods when denominator is not same, and then how we can compare. First one method is by cross multiplication method, and second method is by converting unlike fractions into like fractions. First of all, we will discuss about cross multiplication method. Let us understand it with the help of example. Compare 4 by 11 and 9 by 11. We are using cross multiplication method. So we will do it. 4 by 11 and 9 by 12. Two fractions are given to us. We will do cross multiply. 4 multiply 12 and 9 multiply 11. Now students, find out the product. 12 fours are 48 and 11 nines are 99. Now easily we can compare which one is greater. 99 is greater, so I can say that yes, 9 by 12 is greater than 4 by 12. So I will say that yes, 9 by 12 is greater than 4 by 11. Now students, we will compare two unlike fractions by converting unlike fraction into like fractions. See here, two fractions are given to us. One is 3 by 4 and second one is 5 by 8. Now denominators are not same. So what we will do? We have to make the denominators same. Which is the denominator, student? Which is smaller one? Smaller one is 4. Now what we can do with 4 so that it can become 8? If we will multiply 4 with 2, then it can be 8. If we will make both the denominator 8, then denominator will be same and we can compare the given fractions easily. So what we have to do? We have to multiply by 2. Now it is a rule, students. If we are multiplying by 2 with the denominator with the same number, we have to multiply with numerator as well. With the same number we have to multiply numerator also. Now 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. Now check, students, these two fractions are like fractions or not? Yes, these two fractions are like fractions. Now we can compare them easily. Now it has become like same as we have discussed type 1. When denominators are same, then numerator, we have to compare the numerator. Greater numerator, a fraction which has a greater numerator will be considered as a greater fraction, or a fraction which has a smaller numerator will be considered as a smaller fraction. We will compare their numerator. Now we will see that 6 is greater than 5. So we can say that 6 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8. Or indirectly we will say that 6 by 8 has came from 3 by 4. So we will say that 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 8. I hope so, students. It is clear to you people that how to compare the given fractions.